Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I just arrived from window shopping, and window shopping, so I purchased some items because it's on sale. So first item, because this is just the only one, while walking I saw this from Card Factory, and this is $2.99, and I bought it 74 pence. So yeah, it's a good size box for Christmas, next Christmas. So normally I really purchase item after Christmas for the coming, or for this year Christmas, something like that. And then I went to Sarah to check what they have, and then I purchased this dress. This is really I wish they have in white, but I think before I saw white and I didn't like the price because it's 70 pound, but now it's just for 50%, so 70, so 35 pound. I bought this dress. Look, so because I don't like to buy 70 pound for a dress. Yeah, okay, wait. And then this is, yeah, this is black, but I wish it's a white one. But it's so cute. For me, it's cute. I don't know with you guys. So 35 pound, guys. It's not so in the camera. Doesn't look that much nice in the camera, but it looks good, guys. And then the length is just okay also. So 35 pound for this. It's a bargain from 70 pound. Oh, let me show you also the Matalan, because I went to Matalan also, and I grabbed this trouser. Look at that, because I didn't fold it properly. Okay, so oh my god, it's so wrinkled. So this one is 18 pound, and I bought it 7 pound, guys. Look at that, 7 pound. I didn't try it yet there, so hopefully it fit me. Size 10. So I'm size 10. So yeah, like that. And more in Matalan. The Halloween window or glass window sticker. The original price of this is 2 pound, and then they reduce it to 50 pence. Then after that, 10 pence. They have more there. I'm thinking to grab more, but at the same time thinking I don't need that much. So yeah, happy Halloween. Yeah, go to your Matalan. I'm sure they have still many, even like Christmas and Halloween stuff they have. And they also have Easter decor already. What else in Matalan? I grabbed, oh, this one. This one is from Matalan too. This is 50 pence from 3 pound. So this is what I'm going to use next this Christmas, this December. Okay, and then I have a Home Bargains. I have Primark, B&M, Poundland. Oh, and Poundland also, they have so many sales. So first is this candle holder. This is 1 pound, and it's just like 10 pence or 20 pence. So yeah, that's why I bought it, just because of that. And then this one is so cheap also, 1 pound maybe, or 2 pound. Yeah, look at. So that's why I'm just there to window shop. Oh, by the way, this one is sell 50 pence from 1 pound. So I think I will need it. It's a table runner for Valentine's Day. They have many Valentine's Day items already in the shop, in Primark, in Matalan, Home Bargains, B&M. They have already Valentine's stuff, Easter. Yeah, so this is, I don't know why it's sell. And then, oh, this is from B&M. Look at this. This is just 150. So from 5 pound, and then they reduce it to something, and then after that they reduce again. Drinking game, bus wire. I didn't actually open it. Yeah, okay, it's fully wrapped like this, like that. So it's good. I'll give it as a gift. 150 only, right? It's so cheap. And then, oh, this is from New Look. This is actually sell. This is 9 pound, and I bought it 4 pound. So it's a bargain. I love bargain. And then B&M sticker tag again. This is 50 pence, something like that. So it's good to have many. And oh, what is this? This is from Poundland. Cuticle oil. Ah, this is oil. I thought it's okay, it's an oil. It's not what I expect. I thought it's a transparent nail polish. And then this one, it's a 100% cotton. It's £5 and 250 hand towel. They have more hand towel there, guys. It's actually cheap for 250, right? Because normally it's £4 in Primark. So yeah, because I need a different color. Because all my towels here are white. And sometimes we get confused. This is towel of home. So we decided slowly I need to change the color of my towel. So maybe I'll change it to pink. And for my son is gray. I don't know, maybe blue or something. Or red. No, there's no red. Yeah, but yeah. Okay, so this is from Tesco. Because I just passed by also Tesco, guys. I'm like that. I'm just passing by. This is also sale. I just forgot, but it's so cheap for sure. Yeah, charity cards. Okay, and then this is from Primark. This is actually new. How much is this? £3. They are so cute. And then my son grabbed this water bottle again because he liked this color for water bottle, and at the same time he likes this one. I asked him to choose a different water bottle in Primark, but he doesn't like. He liked it. And then I bought a boots. This is £10 from £18, size 4. If you're asking, I'm size 4. And then last time I purchased boots, yeah. And then I feel like it's so thin here, and then sometimes when the floor is slippery, I become like a little like that, you know, my feet. So I feel like maybe I will be prone to slip or something, accident. So I decided to buy this. Yeah, I just wore it one time, that one, but of course sometimes you have mistakes. So this one is more safer at least, you know, because it look like that. And then that one is like this only. So that's why. So slowly guys, I'm buying less, to be honest. I'm really buying less now. I saw many things in TK Maxx and I didn't purchase anything in TK Maxx. I saw Sarah dress there that I like and I want to buy it, and I said, okay, no, I have so many dress. I need to stop buying clothes now. So maybe just a little decor. Even for my son, I will stop buying also because, oh, you know, in Matalan, they have many superhero character costume, and it's half price. It's from £18 to £9. They have Spider-Man, Superman, Flash, like that. And I want to buy, but I control myself and I didn't, which is so, I'm so happy. This is 8 to 9 years old. £4. Oh, it's £4. Okay, it's not sale, but my son needs it anyway. I just keep it so in case. And then this £4 pens, because I like keep pens when I'm writing things out. And then this one is really cheap, 80 pence, and it's really nice, this one, guys. You should try it if you didn't. It's nice. And then still they have ribbons. Oh my god, they still have ribbons. So it's £1 still, so I just grab it again. And then £1 for this letter writing set. Yeah. Oh my god, I want to clean here because I need to eat something also. And then this one, 50 pence. I don't know why I purchased it. It's from 130. How many is eight bags. Okay, I don't know why I purchased it. I just purchased it, so yeah, I really don't know why I purchased it. I'm thinking now why I need this. And then this is sale, £5 from £10, and it's for thermal vests, which is good for my son because of the weather, you know, it's cold. And then face masks. Oh, this is 50 pence. This is regular size. Yeah, 75 pence. And I also grabbed, okay, I remember now, I purchased something in Boots. I purchased a foundation in Boots, which is later I show you. It's just $10.99. This one is £4, guys. Yeah, I like it. And then this one is eyebrow. Yeah, just so cheap. £1, £2, like that. I'm not really... Oh, this is from Home Bargains, guys. Last time I purchased from Sports Direct, yeah, and that is Nike. And this one is... That is £17 and it's sell already. But this one is only £4. And look at... And then the one thing that I like it's because I can put... my son can put water bottle here. And another thing here. So, you know, juice or something he wants. And then there's extra here that he can put something. And it's really spacious, guys. So, yeah, it's very cheap. Yeah, that's why it's so good to buy, to roam around. And sometimes you will really find things that so affordable. And then gloves. Oh, this is from Morrisons. I went to Morrisons also. I purchased many items in Morrisons, but it's mostly food, like that. And then in Home Bargains. So this is cheaper than in Boots because one time I purchased toothpaste for my son. It's $2.50, something like that, and this one is cheaper in Home Bargains. So, and this one, Glow White, Home Bargains. I hope it's really helpful for my whites. Washing machine cleaner. I need to clean my washing machine again. And then I grabbed this. Oh, where's my concealer? This is the concealer I purchased in Boots. Just $10.99. So yeah, hopefully I never tried this. I tried the other one, you know. So hopefully this is good. I didn't try it, I just grabbed it. Spam from Home Bargains. This is two. Where's the other one? Yeah, and then this pickle, cucumber, and then Vanish. Yeah, that's it, guys. I didn't shop so much. I really shop less now compared to before, especially with clothes, you know. At least it's just things, and yeah, slowly I will not buy anything. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye, guys. Bye.